10 phrases to be fluent in English. Hello, my amazing learners. If you've ever felt stuck trying to find the right words in English, you're not alone. Fluency isn't about memorizing thousands of vocabulary words or mastering every grammar rule. It's about being able to express yourself easily, naturally, and confidently, especially in everyday conversations. Today, I'm sharing 10 essential phrases that truly help you sound fluent and natural. Not complicated phrases, but real phrases that native speakers actually use. The best part? Each one is flexible. You can use them in lots of different situations. Let's dive right in. 1. That makes sense. This simple yet powerful phrase shows that you truly understand someone's explanation or point of view. It's more than just nodding. It's actively confirming their logic. Using "that makes sense" signals that you're following the conversation thoughtfully, making interactions feel natural and respectful. Example: Friend: I couldn't come yesterday because my car broke down on the highway. You: Oh, that makes sense. I'm glad you're okay though. Must have been stressful. You show understanding and empathy, a fluent double win. 2. I'm not sure, but I think. You don't need to have all the answers. Fluent speakers express uncertainty with confidence, saying, I'm not sure, but I think. Lets you stay in the conversation, offering your opinion without risking sounding wrong or careless. It shows honesty and intelligence. Example: Colleague: Is the meeting at 3 p.m.? You: I'm not sure, but I think it's been moved up to 2:30 p.m. Let me double check. You stay helpful, cautious, and professional, perfect for work or study. 3. Could you please repeat that? Missing a word or two in fast conversations happens, even for native speakers. Using this phrase politely allows you to stay engaged without feeling embarrassed. It shows you value clarity over pretending to understand. Example: Manager: Please update the report with last quarter's figures before Friday. You: Sorry, could you please repeat that? I want to make sure I get it right. Notice how you show responsibility and care, a mark of true fluency. 4. By the way: Want to switch topics without being awkward? By the way is a smooth bridge. It makes your conversation sound effortless and keeps the vibe natural, as if you're thinking and chatting freely. Example: You: By the way, have you tried that new coffee place near the library? Their cappuccino is amazing. You naturally steer the conversation, just like fluent speakers do. 5. That's interesting. Instead of just nodding silently, fluent speakers react thoughtfully. Saying, that's interesting, shows you're actively processing what the other person said, encouraging them to share even more. Example: Friend: I spent a whole year teaching English in rural Thailand. You: Wow, that's interesting. I'd love to hear about the culture there. What surprised you the most? A follow-up question makes your conversation richer and deeper. 6. It depends. Real-world answers are often complicated. Fluent speakers don't rush to yes or no. They say, it depends, and explain. This phrase shows you think critically and understand nuance, which is a major fluency skill. Example: Person: Is freelancing better than a full-time job? You: It depends. If you like flexibility, freelancing is amazing. But if you prefer stability, a full-time job might suit you better. You sound insightful and balanced, very natural. 7. I'm looking forward to it. Expressing positive emotions about the future makes your English sound warm and real. Native speakers naturally use this phrase to show excitement or hope. It keeps conversations upbeat and friendly. Example: Friend: I booked our tickets for the concert next weekend. You: Awesome! I'm really looking forward to it. It's going to be epic. You match their excitement, building a stronger bond. 8. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Instead of pretending you understood, this polite phrase lets you keep communication clear. It's friendly, non-judgmental, and invites the speaker to repeat without any awkwardness. Example: Colleague: Let's set the deadline for Wednesday next week. You: Sorry, I didn't catch that. Did you say Wednesday or Friday? You stay professional and show you care about details. 9. Let me check. Fluent communication includes admitting when you need time to find information. Saying, "Let me check," buys you time while keeping trust and professionalism intact. It sounds responsible, not unsure. Example: Boss: Can you confirm if the client's invoice was sent last week? You: Let me check. I'll pull up the records and get back to you right away. You sound dependable, proactive, and smart. 10. Sounds good to me. Agreeing in a cheerful, friendly way is a fluency superpower. Instead of just saying okay, using sounds good to me keeps the tone positive and shows you're easy to work with. Example: Friend: How about we grab dinner at 7 and catch a movie afterward? You: Sounds good to me. Can't wait. Speak smart, speak from the heart. Fluency isn't about using fancy grammar or memorizing complicated vocabulary. It's about being able to react, connect, and express naturally. These 10 smart, everyday phrases will help you sound more fluent instantly, build stronger relationships, feel more confident in any situation. Here's your mini challenge. Pick 3 phrases from this list today. Use them out loud in conversations. Notice how your English feels more real, natural, and alive. Remember, every phrase you master is a small, powerful step toward true fluency. Own your words. Speak with confidence. The world is waiting to hear your voice. World Globe Speech Bubble.